Hey guys, happy Tuesday. This is the video for today, Tuesday, April 21st. I'm going to go over the assignments that you have to complete today as well as where to find them. And please listen to this whole video because I'm going to go over a few pretty important things as far as reading for today. Okay? So as you can see my screen, I am on our Google Classroom right now, Miss Favela's 4th grade. What you need to first go to is classwork. And the first thing you should be checking every day is the daily announcements. So day 22, Tuesday. We're going to click on that to open it up. And basically it tells you what to do and where to find things. So happy Tuesday. Click on the slide below called Tuesday To-Dos. Okay. To see everything you need to complete today. And then what I did is I wrote out all of the math teachers' Zoom links. So we've got Gilmore's link, meeting ID if you need it for a phone, and her password. Miss Fason's got all those three. My advanced math class has theirs. Miss Watts's math class has theirs. And then at the bottom, it is the link for our classroom reading Zoom and password. I even wrote out on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, it's the whole class from 1 to 2. And on Tuesdays and Thursdays, it is from 1 to 1:30 for groups 1 and 2. So that's today is reading group day. And it's also from 1:30 to 2 for groups 3 and 4. Okay? I also wrote that at the top here. Reading group Zooms are required today. Every single Tuesday and Thursday, you have to get on your reading group Zoom. Tuesdays and Thursdays are not optional. You cannot just be like, I don't need help with my chapter I'm reading today. I'm not going to get on. That's not how it works. Our Zoom meetings on Tuesdays and Thursdays are to discuss the chapter you should have read before the meeting, which you can find in your assignments every day. You have to come on in order to discuss it. Okay? So let's click on the slide to see what you need to do today for Tuesday. You've got, for math, on-level math, you have word problem lessons on Khan Academy. Advanced math, you have multi-digit multiplication lessons and a quiz on Khan Academy. This is review right here for that class. Both math classes need to get iReady 10 minutes at least each day, and a green light on reflex. That's for math. And then for writing, you need to continue doing the journal entry each day. Make sure you're typing on your own copy, not on mine. If you click this link, it takes you straight to where you can find the writing journal on Google Classroom, which I will show you where that is also found. You can find that under classwork. After you go to classwork, you will go to the digital learning resources. If I could scroll all the way down there. Right here, we are on week 5. You've got your writing journal right here. You just click on it, and I've made it so that it automatically makes a copy for you now. But you should just still be typing on the one that's your individual copy, which I showed you how to do last week. Okay? That's your writing journal, and today's Tuesday, so your prompt is, oop, I went too far. People learn all the time. Some of the learning happens outside of school. Write about something you've learned recently and the effect this had on you. So something you've learned recently, most likely when you're not in school, since we're not right now. That's your writing journal for today. And then the last thing you need to work on, which is still found on the slide right here, is for reading. Reading groups 1 and 2 today. You need to have read all of Chapter 3 of Hatchet, answer Chapter 3 questions in the reading journal, and be ready to discuss at, your time is 1 o'clock, groups 1 and 2, 1 o'clock. Okay? This link will take you to our reading Zoom. If you click it, this is the password. Groups 3 and 4, you must get on today as well and have already read Chapter 2 of Bridge to Terabithia. Answer Chapter 2 questions in Reading Journal and be ready to discuss. The links right here are for both groups' books. Hatchet, yours is under yours. Bridge to Terabithia, yours is right here. Everyone should be getting 10 minutes of iReady. Okay? I'll show you where you can find the Reading Journal if you are still confused on where to find that. Once again, we're going to go onto my classwork tab. We're in Digital Learning Resources, Week 5, and this one you're looking at reading journals, or book club journals, I should say. So you want to go to that. If you open it up, I have also posted in the instructions the links to each book, one for Hatchet and one for Bridge to Terabithia. Okay? And then I have the book journals for each group to click. So depending on which book you're reading, you click it, go to that chapter. So let's say you're in Bridge to Terabithia. You should have read chapter 2 today. Chapter 2. I'm going to go to chapter 2's questions and answer them after I've read them. I'm just going to scroll down to where it says chapter 2 right here. And there's your 2 questions. Oops. And answer them right here. And make sure that's done before reading group. Same thing for my Hatchet Book Club. I will be contacting parents every Tuesday and Thursday if I don't see your face on the reading Zoom. If you're not on at your exact time on Tuesday, be expecting an email to your parent or a message after reading groups on Tuesday. Same with Thursdays. Those are not optional. Okay? I think that's about it. If you have any questions on your work for today, first, please go look at the slide because it is typed out here. Read this as many times as you need to before you ask me a question, just because I think it's all laid out here pretty clearly. But if you're still confused, let me know, and I will see you guys during reading groups today. Bye.